I remember one time, the only time that I ever in my life told Mommy a lie. That I know that it was a black lie when I told it to her. Mel had a little teapot, a little thing, and it cost about $10 back then. But Betty, it was beautiful. And they had it sitting on my little round table that I don't know what they done with. And they had it sitting on it and had a little round scarf on it. And we had an old cat. And Mommy told me to pick that cat up and take it outside because it might break something. And so help me, if when I picked the cat up, honey, it grabbed that cloth and jerked the little teapot off with one of its claws. And Mommy said, "Now, I want you to look at her." She said, "Milla will kill us all." And but she did take a fit when she found out it was broke. But it didn't break it, couldn't glue it back. Mommy come through there and she said, "Lord have mercy. Do you know?" She said, "Who done that?" I said, "That cat." Well, the cat did do it, but I was cause of it. Mommy said, what happened?" She said, "I guess you picked the cat up." No, I didn't. Because I knowed Melba would take a fit. And she did. When she found out that little teapot was broke. Man, she went wild. And I cried and cried and cried. Because I had to tell Mommy and I didn't do it either. But later up in years, I told her better.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye.